I am making vegetable lasagna, first time ever. I'm using oven-ready lasagna. What I'm doing right now is I'm kind of like pre-soaking it in here. I got about 11 pieces. I'm using the Barilla brand. And so right now what I'm going to do is assemble I'm soaking it in the lasagna pan. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to combine the eggs, cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, and Italian seasoning. So let me just go ahead and work on that. Okay, I just drained the water out of here. I'll let it soak for about a minute with very warm water, but I don't want to soak it anymore. I think it's going to be gooey because this is, but I didn't want it to be undercooked either, so we'll see. Right now I'm putting together the ricotta cheese. I put 1 cup of ricotta cheese in here. I got to get another cup in here. I meant cottage cheese, excuse me. I don't have time to crush this. So, the Italian seasoning, I'm running late because this is hangout day. So let me just go ahead and mix this all together right now. Okay, it's all mixed together there. So let's go on for the next step. Okay, I'm cooking the mushrooms, the onion, and garlic until tender. Boy, I'm hoping I can get all this done before hangout. Oh, busy. Okay. I took the lasagna out of there and put it over here. All right. I tell you. Okay, I just put in the milk. 2 cups of milk. You put more in when you're using the no-boil lasagna. 2 tablespoons of flour and about 1.5 teaspoons of pepper. So now let's go ahead and put all this together. I think I gotta stir it till it gets a little thickened here. Okay, broccoli, carrot, spinach, and 1/2 cup of my personally grated Parmesan or Reggiano cheese. Let me mix it all together. I put 1/2 cup of the vegetable mixture on the bottom. It said to grease it. I'm not going to. This thing's gonna be fattening enough. Besides, what's the point since you're doing it this way? Okay, on the bottom. Okay, that's good enough. All right, there's the first layer of the noodles. I'm not going to worry about aesthetics right now. I'm running late. Okay, now we're going to do 1/3 of the cottage cheese mixture. Then 1/3 of the vegetables. Wait a minute, let me read the instructions here. Hold on. 1/3 of the cottage cheese mixture is down. The next thing I have to put in is, wait a minute, hold on. Okay, I just put down 1/3 of the vegetable mixture. Now let's put in 1/3 of the mozzarella. Okay, I just put down 1/3 of the mozzarella, and I'm going to repeat and do the same thing again. And I layered it with some lasagna noodles. There it is. I will try it and let you know if it's any good. It looks good. It smells good. Hold on. Kind of watery there on the bottom. Let's see. Well, the recipe said to increase the milk if you're using the oven-ready lasagna. I think it's good. It's delicious. I like it. So I will be posting this at my cooking channel. I'm debating whether I really needed to pre-soak the lasagna. Let me think. Next time I pre-soak it, maybe I'll only do it for 10 seconds. I did it for about a minute. But it's not bad, though. Not bad. In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns, there's a warrior rising, breaking free from chains.
settles it down.